Pa, walang lalagyanan. Wala na? Ayun o, may bunga doon sa taas. So, di ba, nakukulog man, Papa. Pero wala na. Ay, nakapulot na. Kung no arin. Pero nakabalyo man pa. Arin. Dakol na. Ay, amo. Hello, Mod Child. Mega love shout out to you. Thank you for watching. May mga bunga pala dito. Yan, bunga lang ng bunga baga itong ano, hindi nauubusan. Papalalagyan, Papa, ilag ko na yun. Ini Amiris o ba ganun? Siguro araal daw nahuhulog pa ng mga bunga kang ano. Hindi lang napupulot. Kadakien. Pinagat na akong lamukis. Go, let's go. This is Lolo's mini garden. Lolo's garden. Coconut. You can plant this coconut seedlings. Okay, thank you Lord for today harvest. We harvested the cassava. This is a dragon fruit tree. Okay, it's Sunday today, so we're going to prepare for Sunday service. Hello to Smart Beluga. Oh wow, you're the first live commenter. Galap shout out. Look at this cassava. Oh, that's a lot. Thank you Lord for the harvest. Hey. Hi, One Child, Kurt Gaming.
Itlog.
Itlog naman. Hi, chicken. Hi, duck. Hi, duck. Mega love shout out to our 4 likers and 7 live viewers. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. And may itlog tayo dito. We're going to collect eggs this morning. Ilang itlog, Lolo? 1, 3? Lagi lang Lulong 3 ang itlog. Meron pa? 1, 2, 3 eggs. Meron pa doon. Nagkakan na yung mga itik. They're swimming in there. Mga itik, ayun o. Po? 8 na. Nagsasadiri na sila egg di Papa mag-iyan. Dahil na sila pigalok. We've got 8 eggs for today. Thank you, Lord. Hi, Miming! Meow, meow, meow. Miming! Miming! Hi! Hi!
Parang kita.
Asa na siguro, Papa? 8-7 na kaya. May imo na. Meow, meow, meow!